Hi, in this video we can see how to filter MongoDB data, which is like var class equivalents in MongoDB. So in SQL we are using var class. So same like that we can use multiple operators in MongoDB to filter the data in MongoDB. So you can see here there are some operations like equality, less than equals, greater than equals, not equal, and values is not in array and values in array. So we can see with the examples. So I'm going to use sample database. Sorry, student database. So I'm going to use a personal collection. So just I'm going to show what are the data in that personal collection. So you can see that it having a these are data which is in personal collection. Personal collection. So now I'm going to filter out age which is greater than 20. The data document which having age is greater than 20. So for that we can use GT function, GT operator. So I'm going to check. I'm going to select personal dot find. So I'm going to give. I'm going to filter out for age, right? So I'm going to give a filter age. So the values is greater than equal to 20. Sorry, there was a literal is missing. So you can see here it's showing the data which is wage is age is greater than 20. Okay, so I'm going to check the less than equal to operator. The same thing, right? I'm going to see less than age is less than 30. So it's showing that the documents which having age is less than 20. So now I'm going to check the date age between 30 to 40. So for that, I'm going to give that age is less than equal to 40. Okay, let's give. I'm going to give it less than equal to 50 and greater than equal to 20. So you can see that we just got that data which age is between age 20 to 50. Okay, so so now I'm going to check with the in operator in Mongo database. So same like that. So now I'm going to check. Name is like name is Pooja John. Okay, so same like that. So filter is name and data is dollar in array. So I'm going to give a name Raja and John. Sorry, there was a syntax error. So you can see that we're just using a in operator, which name is Raja and John. So we got the documents which having a name like Raja and John. So now I'm going to check that name is not in Raja. The same command which is I'm going to check which is not in. So not in. So you can see that it shows all documents which name is not in Raja and John. So this is a basic var class equivalence in Mongo database. So next thing we can see how to limit that records. So suppose if you have a records like if you have a database which having records is more than 20 or something 100 records. So I'm going to limit only 10 records. Okay. So like that. So I'm going to record is I'm going to limit. Let me. I'm going to limit the records. For that I'm using a sample. So show collections. So this student collection having 200 records. So I'm going to limit only 10 records. Okay. db.student. Fine. Limit. I have to give what how many records I want to limit. So it's showing only 10 records. So this is how we can use a limit operator in Mongo database. So next thing we can see how to sort that records in Mongo database. So for sorting, same like so I'm going to use a different database. I'm going to use sample. Sorry, I'm going to use a different student database. Without personal dot find. So this is a personal collection data. So now I'm going to get the data with sort operation. So I'm going to start with age. Okay. So for that, same thing, personal. The same thing like I'm going to with the filters also I'm using here. Let's say the same filter which I'm using, right? So age between 50 to 20. Dot sort of which I'm going to use age. So here we have if you're giving the value like 1. So 1 means it will come as a descending order. 1 is means it will specify it will come as a ascending order. -1 means it will come as a descending order. So I'm going to give you a ascending order. Okay. So we can see that document is sorted